How to open multiple video clips in VLC Media Player. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open VLC Media Player. After that, go to Media and then go to Open Multiple Files. Now select the file and then simply press Add button. Go Add and then you will land in your gallery. Now open it. After that, go to Add again and add as many files you want. Then simply press play, drag down the button and then go to Convert. Now this file will be converted into one single video. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.